Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a travel notification for your KeyBank debit card. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're signed in, click on your KeySmart checking account. At the upper right part of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Manage Cards. Under Card Management, you will see a section for Debit Card. Below your debit card, you will see an option that says Add Travel Notifications. Click on Add Travel Notifications. Now you will see a section for Travel Note. You will also be asked on what cards you plan to use. To continue, click on the tick box beside your debit card. Then click on the Continue button. Now, enter your travel information. On the first field, enter the country of your destination. On the second and third field, enter the from and to dates of your travel. After entering, click on Continue. Now review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit. That's how you add a travel notice for your KeyBank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.